Hello to all my friends out there. And these are some turkey burgers. And believe it or not, this is like one of my best dinners. And so, I got the turkey burgers on sale. And last month I got 10 pounds of hamburger. But this month I decided 5 pounds turkey burger, 5 pounds hamburger. So I fried my turkey burger in a little olive oil. Oh, and one of the followers told me that is not the right kind of olive oil. You just are supposed to use regular olive oil. So I was grateful for that tip because, I didn't notice. I didn't know. I do have shortening, but I fried these turkey burgers in this olive oil. And another thing about turkey burgers that's really, really delicious is frying turkey burgers in bacon grease. Sounds fattening, but it's good. Okay, and then here is my leftover. This is my leftover chili. And this was some of the best chili I ever made. If you get a good recipe, once you get a good recipe, anything is easy if you have a good recipe. So scroll down for the easy chili recipe. Okay, and now this is regular white rice, and I sprinkled taco seasoning. This is in the bodybuilding. They eat a lot of rice and taco seasoning, or what is the other thing? It was taco seasoning. Oh, spaghetti sauce. Rice is good. Okay, and I cook my turkey burgers just like steak with seasoned salt and black pepper. So here we have it. I usually make it like this. Okay, so this is like the steak dinner, and I have some of my raspberry tea, which I refrigerated, and I have some frozen corn, and I wanted to make mention, okay, this is some shredded lettuce, and for years I was, tearing pieces of iceberg lettuce up for my salads. And I thought, I like this shredded lettuce better. Can you help me? I have an extreme problem. I can't get my cheese open. Sorry. Okay, so what I have here is shredded lettuce with tomatoes, salt, and pepper. And now I'm trying to get my cheese. Okay, now this is a good salad, and it's dirt cheap too. With a little bit of cheese. I bought 4 pounds of cheese, 99 cents only, for $2 each. And then I bought these salad toppings, and I like quite a bit of salad topping. It's crunchy, it's yummy. They have this at the 99 cent stores too. And then a little ranch dressing. So this is going to be a good salad. And well, I like quite a bit of dressing on my salad. Okay, so can you go over to okay, so here's the turkey burger, my leftover chili, and now I want some barbecue sauce on and this is kind of like I'm running out of barbecue sauce. Not good. Okay, this is kind of like, now I'm having a steak sauce on mine. And then I want a little sugar in my tea. Okay, so now this is super cheap because it's leftover chili from last night. And can you get a good shot of my... So this is one of my 4 really good cheap dinners, and I'm going to be coming up with some more. And so, try this. The rice with taco seasoning is very yummy, and that's frozen corn. When I used to go out for the dinner, it was corn on the cob, but this will do. So okay, God bless you all.